It's time for some Simply Southern grub. You can totally make this cinnamon pecan bun cake. No fancy skills needed, just simple ingredients, a little mixing magic, and boom, sweet, sticky, cinnamon goodness. It's perfect for breakfast, dinner, dessert, or when you're just pretending that your coffee needs a sidekick. To start this cinnamon bun pecan cake, we're going to start working on the swirl before we do the batter. So you'll need 1 cup of softened butter, room temperature is fine, and add it to a large mixing bowl. You're going to also add 1 cup of brown sugar, and we need to add 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 heaping tablespoon of cinnamon. And we're going to blend this all together. We can set this aside now, and we're going to grab our baking dish. You'll need a 9 by 13, and I have sprayed mine in a little bit of butter spray. You can use butter if you want to, or you can use any type of light oil. You can also use flour in it because we do need to make sure that we have prepared the pan. I'm using cinnamon and sugar. So just give it a good sprinkle and preheat your oven to 335 degrees. Grab that large mixing bowl. For the batter, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 cups of milk. I'm using a 2%. That's what I had in the house. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm just eyeballing this with a good pinch. 2 large eggs at room temperature. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We don't bake anything without adding some vanilla. I am using a vanilla paste. Look how thick. It has that little fleck of the vanilla bean in it. And 1 cup of white granulated sugar. We're going to give it a quick stir. I'm now adding a 1/4 cup of melted butter. This is unsalted, and we're going to give it another stir. This cinnamon bun pecan batter is all mixed up. We're going to set this aside and grab that baking dish. We can start pulling this together now. We also need our cinnamon swirl. I'm just going to set this right here. I ain't got a lot of room here. So we're going to add our batter over to our baking dish. Just add that batter over to your prepared baking dish. Look at those little flecks in there from the vanilla. Spread your batter out as even as possible. We ain't keeping score here. We're going to just do the best we can. Now we're going to get that swirl on. Add your dollops of the swirl to the top of your batter. Using a knife, drag it through your swirl topping and your batter so that you can get that mixed in. Also, it will give you a little bit of that swirl effect that you want. Here comes those pecans. This is a 1/2 cup. I do have a little bit over 1/2 cup because I love pecans. These are roasted. If you don't roast your nuts, guys, you are not going to get the same flavor. So roast those nuts. And I'm just going to use my fingers just to lightly press those nuts into that top. Our cinnamon bun pecan cake is ready to go into the oven. Again, you're going to bake this at 335 degrees. Now, that lower temperature will give you a more even bake. It may take a little bit longer for this to bake at that lower temperature. So I'm anticipating it's going to take about 35 to 40 minutes. You're going to bake it until it passes the cake test. The cinnamon pecan bun cake is out of the oven, and guys, this is gorgeous. Come over and take a look. As if this wasn't sweet and gooey enough, no bun leaves without some glaze. So the glaze starts with 2 cups of confectionery sugar, also 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, since I'm using this on a glaze, I'm using the liquid. I'm not using the paste for this one, about 1 teaspoon. I just eyeballed it. You'll also need approximately 5 tablespoons of milk. Now, I'm going to put in the milk a little at a time and stir it so that I can get just the right consistency on that glaze. I used just about all of that 5 tablespoons of milk, and this is the consistency that I'm looking for. If you want yours thinner, by all means, use all 5 tablespoons of that milk. Look at that. How gorgeous. Just drizzle that glaze right over the warm bun cake. The only thing this needs now is a fork. So, whether you're treating guests or just treating yourself, this cinnamon pecan bun cake brings all the warm, sweet bakery vibes right to your kitchen. No dough rising or rolling required. Grab yourself a fork, pour yourself a cup of coffee, and enjoy every delicious bite. Until next time, guys, you guys take care and God bless.